What's up guys, and welcome to another Westin installation video. I am Cameron, and today we're going to be installing our HDX Xtreme boards on this 2021 Silverado 1500 crew cab. Now this does fit from 2020 model year on up. So let's go ahead and open up the box, take a look at the packaging and see what we out of the box and on the table. Let me go ahead and talk about some of the features of these. They feature a very wide step area, which is covered with a polymer step pad so you don't slip. And it also features a very rugged black texture coat. They are a solid one-piece construction, and as you can see laid out on the table, the mount kit is included. So let me go over some of the tools and things you'll need to get this installed. You're gonna need a 13mm open wrench, a 13mm socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get under the truck and get these installed. You're gonna wanna remove these plugs that are located in the rocker panel. And underneath the plugs is gonna be a threaded hole where you can mount your mounting brackets. Now, if your vehicle does not have the threaded holes underneath the plugs, we do include clip nuts in the kit that can go ahead and take their place. So the next step we wanna do is get your installation sheet and identify the brackets for the driver and the passenger side. Once you've gotten the brackets figured out, then you can go ahead and get under here and take your brackets and the hardware that's included in your kit and go ahead and attach them to the threaded holes that are in the rocker panel. So we got all the driver's side brackets attached and left them loose. We're not going to be tightening any of this hardware until the end of the installation when we torque everything down. So we can now take the driver's side board and slide it onto the brackets. All right, now we'll just go ahead and use the hardware that's included in the kit to attach it. So now that you have the step bars on the brackets and the hardware loosely installed, you can go ahead and align and adjust the step board as you see fit right now, and then go ahead and torque down all the fasteners. You're gonna torque these down to 15 to 18 foot-pounds, and then we're just gonna repeat all the steps for the passenger side. So now that we've gotten the driver and the passenger side boards fully installed and tightened, the installation is now complete. So if you'd like to find out any more information about this product or any of the other products we carry, go ahead and visit westinautomotive.com.